A brand new app for macOS Ventura is the Clock app. This is essentially the same app that has been on the iPhone for years and also on the iPad. You can launch the Clock app just like any other app. I would use Launchpad to do it, but you can also use Spotlight or put it in the dock if you like. There are 4 different modes here. The first is World Clock. It will show what part of the world is in daylight. It'll show times for different places. And at the bottom there'll be clocks. You can add a clock with the plus button here, and then you could type the name of a location and then it will add it. And now you can see it appear on the map here as well. You can drag and rearrange these. You can see the little X button here to remove them as well. So you can put locations that are important to you on the map, have them as clocks down here, and easily be able to check the time around the world. The next mode is the alarm mode. And you can set an alarm with the plus button here. You simply type the time. So we can set an alarm for say 3, and then I'll use tab to move over a clock, AM or PM, and then you can have it repeat. So maybe do it on weekdays. You can give it a label and then assign a sound. So you can choose a basic sound from the various different tones that you have on your Mac. You can also choose more here, or you can choose none. You'll still get a notification. There just won't be an alert sound. You can choose whether or not to allow a snooze. So there'll be a snooze button and you can have the alarm turn off but then go on again. I think it's about 9 minutes afterwards. If you don't want to have snooze, turn that off and then save. And you can see it saves the alarm there. And you could add another alarm if you want. For any existing alarm you can click the X button. You can click on it and then go back in and edit it or delete the alarm. You can also set alarms using Siri. Set an alarm for 4 o'clock today.
Done.
And you can see how it appears in here. So if you use Siri to set alarms, you can easily go into the Clock app to alter them or remove them. Stopwatch allows you to time something. So basically it comes up all zeros, you hit start. At any point you can hit lap and it will record that lap here in that time in the list. And you can hit stop. You can hit start again to resume. And then once you've stopped, you can hit reset to reset everything. So a basic stopwatch function just like the Clock app on your iPhone. You can also do the opposite of that, which is a timer. So you can set the amount of time. So you can click in here and say 1 hour, no minutes, no seconds. You can pick a sound like before, or you can use stop playing. Stop playing is a special mode that instead of playing a sound actually stops the music app from playing music. So you can use this kind of as a sleep timer for listening to music or podcasts. So you start your music, you go into the Clock app, you set a timer, and then you set it for an hour, you select stop playing, and that music or podcast will stop playing. And then you can click start and you can see the countdown there. Notice you get a little menu item here in the menu bar that will show you the time remaining here. So you can actually quit the Clock app and that will remain there. And you can click there and it will bring the Clock app back up. You can pause the timer or you can click done to clear it. You could set timers using Siri as well. Set a timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes counting down.
So now you can see it added it right here in the timer part of the Clock app, and it even shows you up here what time this timer will end. And notice how the circle here will actually show the progress. You can only have one timer set at a time. So if you try to do it again, set a timer for 20 minutes.
There's already a 15-minute timer. Replace it? Okay.